If I will ask who is your best friend, so obviously we will tell someone's names, whether your friend, whether your family member, whoever that person can be. That is not at all wrong also. But just try to understand whoever have come like avatar on this planet, they all have searched the knowledge where they got all the answers how the life should be, what a person has to do on this planet to serve the best. From where they got all this knowledge when they explore in the nature. What it means actually, when you are into the nature, you try to understand, you are learning within yourself. And every religion it speaks that where is the God. If you are searching within yourself, when you are doing literally something good, how you can do the good things, when you will become the better person. For that, who will teach you the best? When you are there within the nature, and you will learn from each of the part of the nature, something it will give the lesson. Like supposed to be, if you take the example of mountain, what mountain actually represents, when you see around the mountain, you will be finding mountain means a very strong, when we see that rock needs, it gives that whatever the situation is there in your life, you need to be very strong enough to face it. You are not supposed to just give up. That message we get from the mountain whenever we look at the mountain, you go into the height of the mountain, how it tough actually to reach there, but once you reach there, then you will understand it's so nice to just view all around. So whatever the situation it comes in your life, you have to understand and take the lesson from the mountain. You need to be very strong to get the best in your life. The second thing, if you just look around in the nature, you will be finding trees, plants, all the greenery. So what it speaks actually, what trees speaks? Trees means the growth. And how the growth will be, when you will have the nature to give. We take whether the fruits, vegetables, even the oxygen, whatever is needed for the human being. From where we get from these plants and trees. It means as much as you will give, you will get the growth. So growth means this all the greenery around you. The third thing is, in the nature what you find, you will, whenever you are going near the river or the ocean, you will be finding little bit of peace. Your eyes will be very will be feeling like that, yes, something is very good vibes. And you will be getting some good kind of music, natural music. It means river means the flow. Whatever the situation comes in your life, you need to understand you are not supposed to give up, because flow is the life. It means you have to go through each situation of your life, whatever happens. So just understand how the river and ocean also give us a so beautiful message. And what you next find in the nature, when you look up, you will be seeing the sky. Sky means never ending. Sky means the change. Change means, if now you are seeing this is color is totally white and blue, it means in evening there is a chance you will be finding like little bit reddish, even the black color, even the gray color. Continuously for the 24 hours it's changing. It means what the sky gives us the lesson, a human being, we need to accept the change. We need to be the person who has to adapt the change. Change means the life. So take this lesson from the sky. The fifth thing, what is there in the nature to have the balance? That's air. Can you imagine your life without air? Can you imagine this earth without air? No, we cannot. It creates the balance. Today, if we take the oxygen also, from where? This all is the part of this space. So air is very, very important to have the balance. So you need to understand here, do you have that personality, that character who is adapting the balance in your life? It means you need to understand every skill is important, everything is important in your life. For that, balance is very important. And after that, what comes? Hope. Hope, from where you will get the hope? When you look at the sun, you know that in evening, in night, you are going to see moon. When it's the night, you know that tomorrow morning I am going to see sun. So sun, moon, it represents what? Hope. So human being means whatever happens, whatever the tough time is there in your life, whatever the problem you are facing, then also you have to wait for the hope. The things will change in your life. So learn this message from the sun and moon. And the last thing, which is very, very important, what do you mean by nature? Nature is the part of the universe, correct? And universe means the power of the God. It means the trust. The very important lesson and very important thing we need to understand, nature, which shows us, which gives us the very important message that God is there in the universe. And when the God is there, the trust is there. So please build this nature also with each and everyone, whoever is there in your life, that we have to build up the trust with each one of us. We never should think that is not good for me, this is only good for me. No, we have to adapt everything in our life. So trust is very important, because you are believing the God. When you believe the God, you need to respect each and everything whatever is there around you. So today this topic I have taken about the nature. Try to make nature as your best friend. If the nature will become your best friend, you are not at all going to give up anything, because every day, every single moment you are going to enjoy with yourself. Because if today I am sitting all alone, I am enjoying with this nature. All the big trees are there, sky is there, mountain is there. So just make this nature, this universe your best friend. Because as I said, you have come alone, you will go alone. But who will be all the time with you? That's the nature. Whether the Gautam Buddha, Muhammad Paigambar, Jesus Christ, every religion spoke about the power of the nature. So what you think, that you will become. So try to just become the best for this nature, to serve for this nature. Thank you so much.